Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, this is your course book 2, Broadway, and today we are going to read Unit 1, that is The Great Race. So for that, let's come to page number 11. It's a very interesting story, but before going through the story, let's have a starter activity. What is in it? Here are some pictures of different kind of vehicles. What does the word vehicle means? Look at the pictures of different vehicles. These all are called vehicles. A thing which move from one place to another place. Like to move vehicle, we need power from petrol, electricity, coal, animals, and or power from our muscles as well. Now what you have to do in this starter activity, you will have to fill these 4 blanks by taking these 4 words, but you have to do it by yourself. I'm just going to read it out. Cars and buses need dash to move. What does car and buses need to move? Either petrol, electricity, coal, animals, or our muscles. Train need dash or dash. Carts needs dash to pull them, and bicycles need only dash. Now let's come to the story. A bicycle and a motorcycle have a race. A bicycle and a motorcycle have a race among them. The motorcycle starts off with a lot of noise. The pedal says crank, brang, the engine says goes vroom, vroom, and there is a lot of smoke. It moves off with a roar like boom. It roars down the road and it roars down the road. The bicycle starts off quietly, but despite of the motorcycle noise and smoke, the bicycle starts off very quietly. It moves its pedals and they go up and down, up and down. The wheels spin. The wheels started moving off. These are the wheels, and the wheels spin smoothly. Roar means loud noise. Spin means turn round and round. How wheels goes? They move round and round smoothly. Smoothly means without suddenly and stopping and starting again and again, like very smoothly. I'm not stopping my hand from moving the pan. This is how the pan is going. The pan is going smoothly. Okay. The wheels spin smoothly. It starts off down the road behind the motorcycle. Halfway, when they were in between the race, halfway, it sees the motorcycle by the side of the road. It sees the motorcycle by the side of the road, and Mr. Policeman is standing nearby. Look at the smoke, he tells to the motorcycle. The policeman tells to the motorcycle that look at the smoke. You are making the air dirty. You can't use the road anymore. The policeman stopped the motorcycle that he is making smoke and he can't use the road even more. The bicycle goes smoothly and quietly to the end of the road, and while bicycle moves quietly and slowly towards the road, towards end of the road, all the people clap and cheer. Hurrah for the bicycle! They shout hurrah for the bicycle as he won the match. So students, tell me, what did you get from this story? If I talk about myself, I get from the story that slow and steady always win. If you remember of a story about Hare and the Tortoise, in which Hare fell asleep, and in the meantime Tortoise won the match. Same situation happened in this story as well.